Huawei is preparing to unveil its next-generation Huawei Watch 5 in China. Just ahead of the official reveal, some fascinating information has surfaced online, particularly surrounding its enhanced Celia AI capabilities. Based on the available leaks, this smartwatch isn't merely getting a refreshed appearance, it's also loaded with cutting-edge functionalities aimed at making daily life more intelligent, streamlined, and wellness-focused. A trusted leaker on Weibo, Adakfanglang Jaku, has posted an image showcasing the upgraded Celia AI on the Huawei Watch 5. Celia AI is Huawei's built-in digital voice assistant, and this iteration has undergone major enhancements. According to the image details, the AI system has been significantly refined and made far more responsive than before. So, what can users expect from these changes? To start, the updated Celia AI can now manage multiple tasks through simple voice prompts. Thanks to the One Command functionality, users can interact with the smartwatch hands-free. Whether you're initiating a fitness session, reviewing your heart rate, or checking your agenda, just speak, and Celia AI will react with precision and speed. The Watch 5 is also tailor-made for fitness enthusiasts. It accommodates a variety of sport modes and training features to help you maintain an active and healthy lifestyle. Additionally, it includes guided breathing sessions, perfect for stress relief or unwinding at the end of the day. On the health front, Huawei has gone even further. The Watch 5 introduces a state-of-the-art X-Tap multi-sensing module, enabling users to access key health metrics with a single tap. You can track your SpO2, heart rate, ECG data, pulse, and more. Essentially, it's like wearing a compact wellness clinic on your wrist. But the innovations don't end there. Celia AI now supports a news encyclopedia feature, allowing users to conveniently access the latest headlines and helpful facts directly from the watch. There's also a brand new troubleshooting feature for Huawei devices, which helps users solve routine tech issues without needing to grab a smartphone or browse the web. One of the biggest technical leaps in the Huawei Watch 5 is the adoption of near-link connectivity. This advanced wireless protocol goes beyond traditional Bluetooth. Nearlink enables 20M proximity detection and 3M hands-free vehicle unlocking. Simply put, your car recognizes your smartwatch from up to 20M away and gets ready to unlock as you approach. Within 3M, it can even unlock doors automatically. It's a seamless fusion of convenience and security. Altogether, these innovations show Huawei's commitment to transforming the Watch 5 into more than just a fitness companion or a notification hub. It's evolving into a full-fledged AI assistant on your wrist, and the wait to see it live in action is nearly over. Huawei has officially teased the Watch 5 and confirmed its launch alongside the Para 80 series on June 11th. That's when we'll get complete insights into the specifications, final design, and potentially some extra announcements that Huawei has kept hidden. In conclusion, the Huawei Watch 5 is gearing up to be a standout wearable with real substance. With its revamped Celia AI, upgraded health monitoring tools, intuitive voice commands, and brand new Nearlink tech, Huawei is clearly raising the bar in the smartwatch market. Whether you're a tech-savvy user, a fitness devotee, or just someone who enjoys owning the latest devices, the Watch 5 is certainly one to watch. We'll be closely following the launch